What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Such a nice day outside today. We cleaned the car and it looks great in the dark. Even in the dark cleaning it looks great. Like, this car is beautiful. Look at this. So I decided for the brakes I'm gonna do the same color. I'm just gonna redo and retouch them for now. I'll change them later, but for now I'm gonna do that. It's looking good. Took all the bugs off. Car is beautiful. Anyways, let me get you guys a cold start. Bro, this lady's on my ass. Like, lady, like, what is wrong with you? Yeah, so I did get the 201,000 miles, which is cool. I mean, it's surprising, you know, honestly. Some people don't make it that far on original everything, so it's pretty old. So we gotta take care of her a little bit better, at least until, you know, we can, at least until we're ready to swap. At least until we're ready to, like, you know, have the car in good state to race people and do all that kind of stuff. But yeah, guys, we are heading to the gym right now. So the reason I didn't post pretty much like all of December is because I was focused more on the gym. I was like, for months I was on and off. I used to work out before, and, you know, back in high school and everything, I was in great shape. I started again while doing YouTube. The thing is, I did YouTube and then I went to work and all that, so pretty much doing, he's checking out the car. But, you know, doing all that, I was like, you know what, I'm tired, I'm gonna skip the gym day, whatever. And then one day turned to 2 days to 3 days to a week to a month to 2 months. So what I did was, so I would be less tired, I pretty much took December and just forced myself in the morning to get up, go to the gym, get a routine going on. So that's what I did. I got a routine, and that's where we're going now. And since I got my routine, now I'm gonna start doing my videos again, because now I'm used to going to the gym. I feel weird or bad if I don't go to the gym. So that's what we're doing, and now we're gonna incorporate YouTube with the gym. So we're gonna be doing all that pretty much every single day. Guys, let me know, comment down below if you guys want to see like gym content, like me going to the gym, you know, what kind of workouts I do or something like that. So honestly, today what we're gonna do is we're just gonna be going, we're gonna run several miles. I do some abs, but we are a little bit late, so we gotta hurry up. And I actually like these cars, the Mitsubishis. They're pretty cool. They look nice compared to the other ones, bruh. Yeah, pretty much that's it, guys. I do not have the mount on my head, so I'm holding the phone right now. I mean the phone. I'm still using my phone. I don't have the mount on my head right now, so I'm using the stand. I'm holding it right now to hold the GoPro. But I think if I do the mount, it'll be something like that. But yeah, let me know how it looks. Everything should be good. I still probably have to tweak a couple things. I don't know. It's the first time I had a GoPro, so we're gonna take the GoPro everywhere. I don't know if you guys saw that, but when I turned on the car, that cold start, a lot of smoke came out the back. A lot came out. So what I want to do is actually, like, in the next couple of days, I want to take out the manifold. I want to check out my spark plugs, make sure they don't have oil in it, make sure the gaskets of the valve cover are good, check my spark plug, check everything, make sure it's all good, everything is getting where it's supposed to, make sure the car is running well. Hopefully it is, nothing's going bad. But yeah, that's it, guys. So I'm gonna see you guys at the gym. So we're here at the gym, or we're pulling up to the gym, and damn, this New Year resolution has gotten the gym pretty full. It wasn't this full before when I used to come. Like, damn, people. Like, it's crazy. So many cars. Oh, I think I found a parking spot. But yeah, it's like, oh damn, there's not a parking spot. God dang it. All right, let's check the other side. There's probably one over there. But god dang, people, there's like so many. Alright, tell me I'm not the only one. When you look over there in the glass and you see your car moving, nice. You're not taking my parking spot, Audi. We're gonna park here. We're parking backwards. Alright, buddy. Damn, she's still looking pretty. So clean. But hey guys, we're at the gym. Let's get it. Got my gym bag and my waist trainer, so let's get it. See how many people are in here. It's not that much. I mean, we got the pool and everything, so, but not too many people. Got the bikes. We're going upstairs right now. We're gonna be doing a couple things, so wish us luck. Gym classes. Alright. First thing we're starting off with, treadmill. Check this out. Yeah, this gym is pretty sick. Come up, some legs. So, alright, this kind of sucks, but GoPro died. Unfortunately, I forgot to charge it. Still need to switch, but usually I do like a 4.5 speed, 0 incline, and I just do that. But 4.5, and if I feel tired, I'll just do like a 15 incline, and then bring it down to like 3, and just keep sweating. Thank you. Like a Veloster, I think. Turbo model, I think it was. I think so. And then it was like another car, I forgot which one it was. This is why I put seatbelts on like everything I have. So this is pretty fun. Yeah, this little kid. This dude was like, "Oh, nice car," and then the Veloster revved. He's like, "Oh, that one's better." Obviously, he didn't hear mine revving, because if not, he would have been like, "Yo, your Maxima is way better, bro." Like, what the hell? I'm just joking, guys. It's fun having a GoPro. I gotta get my mount on my head for things like this, so I can have both hands on my steering wheel. He tried though, like, I think you guys can see it, the Honda Civic, he tried, it's okay. I don't know what the hell he has. I think it's like either open header or I don't know what that is, so it's a little fun. Car is pulling alright, ain't nothing major. Hope you guys enjoy a little bit of that.